There you are. You done. Rocket launchers. Cute. One more down. Enjoy the afterlife. It's real fun. I've got a fucking VTOL, dumbass. You can't even slow me down. Got him. We're gonna have fun with these groups. And done. Now for the inside. Let's do this.
How long are we gonna play house for this nut job?
Hey, look, as long as he's happy, we're not dead. We just need to figure out a way to escape. Maybe I could poison his food?
He makes you eat whatever you cook for him.
I can take one for the team.
Don't be crazy. What if we try?
Holy shit, are we mic'd?
No. This is something else.
I want them secured.
What's going on?
It's for your own safety.
It's our roommate, isn't it? They're here to say...
Save you? Is that what you... Eli, I'm sorry I hit you. There's a lot going on right now, and I got upset. Everything's going to be fine.
Don't worry, guys. I'm coming. Nina! Kev! Eli!
You need not worry over their safety. They are with me now. Alas, you will not survive long enough to see this for yourself.
I'm coming to end you, asshole! Just gotta do this first. Oh, I'ma school your ass.
We've got you outnumbered.
Tear this fucker to pieces.
A valiant effort.
You're never gonna get past us.
Distract him for me!
Idiotas, get behind cover!
Do not worry, my friends. Things are going back to the way they were.
You guys okay?
We're fine.
Why is Kev wearing a shirt?
Oh, it's so long. Look out!
Don't you see? You were never meant to protect them!
You don't get it. They don't need my help. I need theirs. You're fucked now, buddy. Everyone okay?
Real good now.
I'll be better when I get this stupid shirt off.
Just
They
getting
won't see
started.
me coming!
I knew you'd come for us.
Take cover! I will kill you all! And make you proud. Pitiful attempt. How could you turn on me like this, eh? After everything I did for you. You fucking kidding me?
Get down!
I was better off alone.
Oh no, the door, no!
Oh, hell no.
Damn.
Get back here, you coward! Fucking face me!
Shit! Don't worry. We can handle the small fries. You go kill the shit out of that asshole. You got this.
Right, I got this. You're taking the elevator seriously? Face me!
Two down, open here!
Where the hell are you? Yo, where you at? Let's fucking do this!
Predictable as always. Bringing a gun to a helicopter fight. It will be the last poor decision you make. You have nothing to say in reply?
I'm done talking. God, fucking smoke! Gotta get out of here!
You thought you were hunting me, but now I am hunting you.
Get to cover!
This time, I will make sure you stay dead.
You're gonna get it now!
You ruined every...
You guys should come up here. It's a hell of a view.
Mortal terror aside, today was a good day.
Yes, sir, it was. I'm really sorry, guys.
About what? You saved our ass.
It was also my idea to get the Nawali's help in the first place.
No one could have predicted that much crazy.
Bad hires happen. It's okay.
No. If anything happened to you guys,
Hey, we love you.
I love you guys too.
That's because we're fucking awesome.
Here, here. You know, the Saints have only been around for like a minute, and we've already gained and defeated a nemesis. Not a bad start.
No. Not bad at all.